How could that possibly be harmful to the body?
Could you give us some examples of environmental things that people don't think about that could be causing their bodies to speak to them?
I have probably a top three list of everyday things that are really just damaging people's body. And the top of that list, my biggest pet peeve is the microwave.
The microwave, do tell.
Oh my goodness. So, how is the microwave? It's the modern convenience. There's one in every home. How could that possibly be harmful to the body? The microwave changes the molecular construction of your food. So you're heating up chicken and rice. By the time it comes out of the microwave, your body can no longer recognize it. It is no longer chicken and rice because it has been changed on the molecular level while you were heating it. That's my top one is, if you can, use a pan that's so wet. And when you use a pan, the food is actually more thoroughly heated. But by just using a pan, you save your food soul.